Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to give dimensions to the drawing. So let's get started. Since we know there are different types of dimensions that we require. For circles we need radius, diameters, and for normal line we need linear and all. So before going to that, I'm gonna draw some random objects. To draw dimension I have to use DIM command. So after clicking at that, you have to specify the 2 points between which you want the dimension to be measured. If you zoom in, you can see dimension size is pretty good with the size of the object. Well, you can change it if you want to by typing D, enter, go to modify. Suppose if you are at ISO 25, you have to be at ISO 25. If you are at standard, you have to be at standard. So make sure you don't change the place where you are. So I was at ISO 25 and I'm gonna modify it. I'm gonna change my height to some higher value since the arrow size and the text size was small. So I'll give it higher value, suppose 100, and symbol and arrow height to be 100, same. Now set current and close it. Now as you can see, the size of the arrow size and the text size has been increased. Now to give dimension of width, same way you can give dimension by clicking on that line. Next I'm going to show you how to give dimension for the circle. First you have to click on the Now as you can see, between the center point and the circumference of the circle, the distance is this much. And if you type DIMRAD, then you have to click on the circle. It will show you the radius of the circle, and now as you can see, both the values are same. Now let's check how to give the diameter command. So type DIMDIA. Now as you can see, diameter is just double of that radius. Now in this you have to give dimension DIMALI, which will give the dimension of the aligned lines. As you can see, the dimension of this point, these 2 points, is this much. Now again we take, if we just use the dimension, that is DIM, between the same 2 points, the dimension is going on a horizontal way, which means you will never get the correct dimension of this between these 2 points. Now this dimension which we have got is of the horizontal line which I had drawn above. So you have to be careful for which type of dimension you are using. So thank you guys, that's all for today in dimensions, and I'll show how to do hatching in my next video. So see you.